boys and girls. Today we are going to be writing the alphabet in order. And there's going to be pictures above where we're going to put each letter to remind us what letter to do. So let's start with the first letter. The first letter of the alphabet is A, and we can see that that's ALF. A says A. So first you're going to write the uppercase letter A, and then you're going to write the lowercase letter A right under ALF. Go next to it. This is a picture of the bus. B. Big line down, curve to the middle, and curve to the bottom. And lowercase b, big line down, trace it back up to vanilla, turn and close. And if I go too fast for you, you can always pause this video. And our next picture is Cass, which starts with the letter C, the magic C. Uppercase C and lowercase c. And then we'll go right next to for Doc, uppercase D, and then lowercase d. Start with a magic C, straight up, straight down. Next we have Etabeta. We're gonna start with that uppercase E like for Etabeta, and then a lowercase e. Hit the ball, magic C around. And do you remember that, super kid? It's Fritz. Big line down, ribbit to the top, little line across the top, little line across the middle for the uppercase F. And then we're gonna make that candy cane and cross it in the middle for the lowercase f. Next comes good old Golly. We're gonna start with a magic C, little line straight up to vanilla, lift it, lift your hand and cross it, and that makes our uppercase G for Golly. And we're gonna make our lowercase g, magic C, little line up, dive down and turn. G says G, like for Golly. And then we see Hot Rod. Uppercase H, big line down, little line across the middle. And then lowercase h, big line down, trace it back up to the middle and make a hump. And let's go to the next row. Can everyone see? We are at Icky. Let's start with an uppercase I for Icky. And then next to it, we'll make a lowercase I, little line down and a dot. And I'm taking my time to do my very best penmanship, and I hope you are too. Ooh, that looks like very delicious jam in a jar. So we need the letter J. Start at strawberry, go down to chocolate and turn, little line across the top for uppercase J. Now lowercase j is very special. It's one of our diver letters that goes into the lava. Start at vanilla, dive down past chocolate and turn, and put a dot above. And our next picture are kites. And we need to write the letter K. Big line down, lift your pencil, go to the top strawberry, kick in, meet at vanilla, kick out. Now lowercase k looks similar. Big line down, but we're gonna start at vanilla, kick in, kick out. Do you see how they look different? Don't forget. Oh, I love Lily. Uppercase L. And then lowercase l, big line down. And that is not a glove, it's a mitten. Let's start with our uppercase M, big line down, ribbit, slide down, slide up, slide down, straight down. And our lowercase m, start on vanilla, little line down, trace it back up, make a hump, trace up that same line and make another hump. And then we're gonna see the nest with that letter N. Big line down, ribbit, slide down and go straight back up. And then our lowercase n is a little line down, trace it back up and make one hump. And there's Oswald, uppercase O and lowercase o. Start at vanilla for that lowercase o. Magic C, turn and close it. And then there's yummy, yummy popcorn. It's a letter P. Big line down, ribbit, curve to the middle for uppercase P, and lowercase p is another one of those fantastic diver letters. Start at vanilla, dive down past the chocolate, trace it back up, turn and close. And let's go to the next row. After P comes Q. Q says qu, like in question. Let's make a Q, which we start with a magic C, turn and close it so it looks like an O, and then we're gonna kick out a line. Now lowercase q is tricky. Magic C, little line up, dive down, and then you're gonna go backwards. If you went the other way, it would be a G. Okay, there's rain on a rainbow for the letter R. Big line down, ribbit, curve to the middle, and kick out. And lowercase r, little line down, trace it back up and turn. Look who it is, S-A-L, spells Sal. Uppercase S and lowercase s. And for lowercase s, start on vanilla. Great, check your S. Those ones are a little tricky. And now we have triple trouble, tick, tack, and talk, which is the letter T. Big line down, lift your pencil, little line across the top, lowercase t, big line down, little line across the middle. Oh, and then we have umbrella, the letter U. Let's start with uppercase U, go down and right back up. And then lowercase u, start at vanilla, go down, up to vanilla, and then little line straight down for that lowercase u. We're getting close to the end of the alphabet. Our next one here is a vest. What letter is that? V. Slide down, slide up for the uppercase V, and the same with the lowercase v, but we'll start at vanilla. 4 more left. This is a picture of a watch. Slide down, slide up, slide down, slide up, because W says W, like for watch. And lowercase w looks just like uppercase W, but it starts at vanilla. And here is the X. We're going to make an X, an uppercase X, and then next to it, a lowercase x. Now, remember, we usually hear X at the end of words, like box, fox. And this color is yellow. We're going to start strawberry, slide over a little, lift your pencil, slide, and keep going down to chocolate for that uppercase Y. And the lowercase y, we're gonna start at vanilla, slide to chocolate, lift your pencil, start again at vanilla, and dive into the lava past chocolate. And our last letter is Z. We're gonna start on strawberry, slide across, slide down to chocolate, slide across, Z for zebra. And our lowercase z looks the same but small. Now, let's check before we go to the next part. Did we get it right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great. Now we're going to play a game where we're going to put in the missing letters. So what letter comes between B and D? Between B and D is C. So you're going to make your uppercase letter and your lowercase letter. Oh, here's another one. What comes between E and G? That's the letter F. Uppercase F and lowercase f. And, oh, there's two missing. What letter comes after H in the alphabet? Do you know the answer? Well, I do because it's the letter I. And then, uppercase I, lowercase I is followed by J. Uppercase J, and lowercase j is a diver J. K, L, M, N, O. What comes after O? P. Uppercase P and lowercase p. Q, and then comes R. Uppercase R and lowercase r. And if I'm going too fast for you, you pause and take your time. R, S. Uppercase S and then lowercase s. We've got T. After T comes U. Uppercase U, lowercase u. Remember that lowercase u, you make a little line down. V, then there's W, uppercase W, and lowercase w. X, and the last missing spot comes right before Z, and it's letter Y. Uppercase Y, and then remember lowercase y is a diver letter. Now, I want you to go back and I want you to trace all of the blue letters. And great job, boys and girls.